In this video, I'll show you how you can connect monday.com to Base44. So first step you need to do is go to integration section, click on integrations, and from here find monday.com, this one, click on it. And from here you can see your overview of this integration. So you can build apps that can read and write data from the monday.com. And to be able to use this integration, you need to have backend functions enabled, which are only available at builder plan or above. What you need to do is go to monday.com, open monday.com site, wait until the page loads, and from here click on your profile in top right corner, and from here choose developers. And now on the left side click on API token, and this is your API key. You can regenerate a new one or you can copy it. So I'm gonna copy it. Now go back to Base44 and click on use this integration. You can see, and now in this field you need to paste that key. I'm gonna paste it, and it's showing me integrations 1. So this means this integration was successfully connected and now I can use it. So that's how you can connect monday.com in Base44. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing.